Channel. I'm Doris. I'm here to show you about my stock account update and today's market sentiment. Today my stock account has made a gain to 63,039.19. Today SQQ made a gain of 0.34% to 17.77, and United Natural Gas made a loss of 0.84% to 7.05. And today's market generally closed mixed. Dow Jones Industrial Average closed up 0.33%, and the Nasdaq Composite closed down 0.202% as the influence of Tesla of its loss of 5.06% in just one day. And the S&P closed up 0.18% to 4,515.77. Today, a few things that I want to mention is the 10-year Treasury note return. Recently, Bank of America strategists have shown that in their newest report, the investments on the 10-year Treasury note market, the return is at negative 0.3%, and before 2023, so in 2022 and 2021, the return on the Treasury note is negative 17 and negative 3.9%. which has been the lowest since 1788, almost 200 years since its establishment. A bit about the U.S. Treasury note is that it originated when the U.S. federal government was created during the independence War, and the continental government issued a lot of government bonds to raise the funds for the war, and recently, because the Fed is trying to inhibit inflation to continue to raise interest rates, the return on the Treasury notes has been affected. Compared to the 2010s, 2020s era is like mostly low return on the stock and the Treasury notes with regards to geopolitical tensions and societal trends. And the Bank of America strategists predict that this trend will keep going. Also, the lower return on the Fed Treasury notes has reflected that ever since 2020, the COVID pandemic, the nominal GDP has grew to almost 40%, and which is one of the factors that led to inflation. As for the stock market, the Dow Jones performance for this whole year has been relatively stable, and the stock market rebound is mostly reflected in the financial sector. Therefore, the overall range in the different sectors rebound is not reflected as much in Dow Jones compared to other major market indexes. At the same time, let's looking at MSCI, which is a combination for global stock indexes, a combination of 23 advanced markets and 24 developing markets stock, and its breadth into global stocks has narrowed to its lowest since 2003. Within the recent flow of cash and capital, Bank of America reported that $10.3 billion has fallen to the stock market as people raise their sentiment for the US stocks avoiding recession, and $6.5 billion went to cash, $1.7 billion went to treasury note, and 0.3 went to gold. That's all I have for today. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next episode.